Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to block pop-ups on Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 or 10 PC. To disable pop-ups on Windows PC, first click on the Start button and then type Edge and click on this one Edge entry to open it on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. In the Edge settings in the left sidebar select this one option cookies and site permissions. On the right scroll down under all permissions section and then click on this one pop-ups and redirects. Here you need to enable this one toggle switch to disable this one pop-ups in Edge browser, and in case you want to allow this one pop-up you need to turn off this one toggle switch, and in case you want to allow any specific website pop-ups, then beside this one allow option click on this one add button, and now you can type website address on which you want to allow the pop-ups and click on this one add button. Now for particular websites pop-ups will be enabled, and for other websites pop-up will be disabled on your Windows PC on your Edge browser.